click the statement to see the statement. So first window is the full statement for your whole organization. So if you have few company here, then you can see each company details and what is the outstanding, what is the overdue, and aging for your whole company, overdue each for depend on your customer. So this customer I have only one, so it's a 15 days overdue, less than 15 days overdue, because my due date is a today date. Okay, so I think before I explain this statement, I will create another invoice for another supplier, and then we have better understanding about the invoice. So this time I'm going to create for ABC software demo. Once, okay, first I will select the ABC company. Last time my customer, so when I click that, it will automatically give me all the information last time I fill up, but because the customer is already create the profile, so his data is already there. If you need to key in that customer again, you no need to key in from the beginning, so just select the name, it will give you the information. So but this time I'm not going to select that customer, I'm going to select my ABC software demo company, so it's no delivery address, so this is the place. I'm going to add new item for test. Okay, and quantity, double click, and my unit price. Okay, then I click plus. Okay, it's calculated. Now I'm not going to save as a draft, so because this one is confirmed I need to do this sales, so I'm going to directly click the finish button. So its invoice is created, it's a $45, so I'm not going to receive any money. So I will see my statement. Okay, see, this is the two company currently spending money. So this is the one, this is the second figure, and this is the aging. So at this moment, this is how the aging, less than 15 days aging, both are less than 15 days aging. So if you need to see the company, you can print it. This is the whole figure of your full company outstanding, so you can print it here. So this is your figures. This is your figures, or you can go to each customer and print their own statement. So this statement is by invoice, so the invoice will say how much is your total amount and how much you have already paid, and what is the outstanding balance and what is the overdue balance. So this is the overdue balance because my due date is today date, so already overdue, and it will display this customer aging also. So what is the aging? This is a very good place for you to understand about your customer, who's most liable to you. So you can print this one and send to your customer for your statement, your customer statement. So this is your customer statement. Okay, I make it bigger. Yes, okay, so you can see your customer statement. So every month you can send it to your customer, this one. Okay, I close this one. So now I go back to statement, and now see, I can see another debitor is here. It will display most top debitors, most 10 top debitors, and the invoice will be added. So these two figures will be added. These two figures will be added. How much is the thing you need to receive? So see, I can see the figures. Okay, so this is the place, and if you need to see all the invoices, so is in this window. If you need to receive money for any, then let's say this invoice again you receive another amount, so you just click on it and it will display your previous invoice. So you can receive another they gave us another $88 0.3, so I receive it. Okay, it's there already. So I will be back again. You can, this is the old invoice and the credit note, it will display everything. So you need to filter, just filter no credit note, so it's empty. So I say, so this is the payment pending invoice. It's just display only payment pending invoice only. So how much is the total and what is the due amount, is how much is pending. Okay, this is the pending amount, and this is the credit note. Currently we don't have data, so this is the credit note is pending for you to pay. And this is the draft invoice. So currently we don't have any draft invoice, so is empty. If there is a draft invoice, you can click the invoice number, draft number, and to go to do any changes. So this is all about your account receivable page. And if you need to create the credit note, also is the same as the invoice. Is just click here, you can select your customer, or is an existing customer or new customer. You can type it anything, you can add the date, the line item, and you may click save as a draft, or you can complete to finish it to print the actual the credit note. So this is all about your account receivable module.